Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy without onion. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on alternatives to traditional aromatics. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of fat, like butter or pan drippings, and 2 tablespoons of flour for your roux. A good quality broth, approximately 2 cups, will form the liquid base. We'll explore how to build incredible depth of flavor without relying on onions, ensuring your gravy is both delicious and perfectly smooth. To build incredible flavor without onion, start by sautéing finely diced celery and carrots in your chosen fat until softened, about 5 minutes. These vegetables provide a sweet, earthy base. Consider adding a half teaspoon of garlic powder or a small amount of roasted garlic for a subtle aromatic kick. For an extra layer of umami, a tablespoon of mushroom powder or a half tablespoon of tomato paste can work wonders, deepening the overall taste profile. Achieving the perfect thickness is key for any great gravy. Begin by making a roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of fat, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it forms a light golden paste. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of cold broth, a little at a time, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. For the grand finale, taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley or thyme can elevate the flavor. For a touch of brightness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of dry sherry or a half teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. If your gravy is too thick, whisk in a little more broth. If too thin, a slurry of 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon cold water will do the trick.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.